The OnePlus 8 series is set to debut in just a couple of weeks. Peter Lau, CEO of OnePlus, said on Twitter that they have already pushed back the event 3 times, but now they intend to move forward. So the launch is imminent and it will be launched in the month of April. According to sources, it's set to launch globally in 3rd week of April, and in China it will be like 1st or 2nd week, so we are pretty close to launch. The leaks and rumors about OnePlus's next flagship have been increasing steadily as the launch nears. Press renders for the OnePlus 8 Pro has been leaked a few days back, and now we have received renders of the OnePlus 8. These renders also incorporate the new logo, which looks more cleaner and professional. Thanks to Roland of InFuture, he shared more press images of the standard OnePlus 8 in all 3 official colors. These are called Interstellar Glow, Glacial Green and Onyx Black. My favorite one is Glacial Green, then I like the Interstellar Glow. Which one do you like? Now I will provide you with a roundup of specs of both OnePlus 8 Pro and OnePlus 8. I know that you already know a lot, so I will be quick about that. The earlier leaks pointed out that OnePlus 8 Pro may have a 6.78-inch Quad HD Plus display, a 120Hz refresh rate panel. It will also feature MEMC with SDR10 Plus support, 10-bit SDR will always be turned on too, and 1400 nits of display. This level of brightness is just insane. There's LPDDR5 RAM, a quad camera setup, an IP68 water and dust resistant rating, a 4510 mAh battery with 30W wireless charging and 3W reverse wireless charging, although this may only be useful for charging Bluetooth earbuds and other accessories. The smaller OnePlus 8 may have a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus display, a 90Hz refresh rate screen, a triple rear camera setup, LPDDR4X RAM, a 4300 mAh battery and no wireless charging or IP rating. As for the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro's internal specs, expect the latest Snapdragon 865 5G chipset with 8 or 12 gigs of RAM and 128 or 256 gigs of UFS 3.0 internal storage. Both are expected to come with the latest version of Oxygen OS 10, which is sure to be smooth, and it's based upon Android 10. I think you want to know more about cameras, so let me tell you about the camera sensors used on both these phones. The 8 Pro will come with 48MP Sony IMX689 main shooter, which is found on the Oppo Find X2 Pro. It's paired with another 48MP lens, but it's Sony IMX586 ultra-wide-angle lens with 120° field of view. Next is 5MP color filter and a telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and 30x digital zoom. For OnePlus 8, the primary camera on the back gets a 48MP sensor supported by a 16MP ultra-wide camera and a 2MP macro camera. Both these phones will also get new camera features. The specifications and design all looks great, but the only thing that they have to do now is price it accordingly. So that is all we know for now. Hope you liked it. I made this video as concise as possible with everything there is to know, so for that effort, please hit the like button. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace out.